are 10 animals which names start with letter X. Xanthus hummingbird. They are mostly found in Baja California. Xanthusia, found in North America. Xenacanthus, they are extinct, but you still know. Xenabra. The X animals all look so weird. Xenocrophis, they are found in Asia. Xenopholis, I promise you they are different. They are found in South America. Xenops, native to South and Central America. Xenopus, found in Africa. Xenos inauris, found in South Africa. Zephyrs, found in the ocean, of course. Xephosura, also known as horseshoe crabs. Quick disclaimer, I probably didn't get all their pronunciations correctly, but now you're smart.